All right, number 10 is a pyramid. So I'm going to copy down the formula. Surface area equals B plus 1/2 PL. We've been dealing with B a lot, right? The area of the base, P, the perimeter of the base, and then L, the slant height. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to highlight the base. You'll see that the base is a 22 by 22 inch square. So I'm going to do B. That's going to be 22 times 22. Go over here, grab my calculator real quick, make sure I do this right. 484. And then for your P, you can do 22 plus 22 plus 22 plus 22. Or you can just multiply it by 4 since it's a square and there are 4 of them. Either way, you'll get 88. So far, nothing has been too tricky, but the L is the tricky part. So remember that L stands for slant height. And in its name, it says slant, right? So the height has to be on a slant. If you look at this 22 that they give you, this is actually the H. This is the height. Notice it's straight up and down. It's not on a slant. So what we need to find is we need to find this slant height. And in order to do that, we're going to make a right triangle with the slant height, the height, and then we're going to connect the two. And here's why this one is tricky. This is 22. This is your slant height. And then this is not 22 because it starts in the middle and it goes out. So this would only be 11. So we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem with 11 and 22. Okay, so 121 plus 484 equals L squared. That's going to give us 605. And then make sure you take the square root of that number to get the slant height. I'm not sure what I used during my answer key, but I'm just going to round this up to 25. All right, so here we go. 484 plus, probably the easier way for y'all to write it would be 88 times 25 over 2. So 484 plus, let's do that, 88 times 25 is 2,200, but divided by 2, you get 1,100. So the second number is always your LA, and then if we add them together, 1584 would be your